company. An evolving company. A trusted company. BMT Company Limited. Introduction. The pioneering spirit of BMT, which started in the field of ultra-precision processing in 1988, has extended to instrumentation fittings, valves, and distribution panels. BMT is now designing and manufacturing the best products in the world, embracing most industrial sectors, including oil and gas, shipbuilding, marine plant, petrochemicals, power generation, automobiles, and semiconductors. BMT supplies its products to leading domestic and overseas companies. Excellent technology and quality are acknowledged by clients. BMT will continue to pursue customer satisfaction. History. Founded Gyeongpung Machine and Industry. Incorporated into BMT Company Limited. Registered superlok trademark. Registered as an official supplier of tube fittings and valves for Samsung Electronics. Advanced into the electric business. Awarded the $3 million export tower on the trade day. Listed on KOSDAQ. Approved as an official supplier of KOC. Relocated the head office, Yongsanshi. Registered as a supplier of NIOC, Iran. Developed cryogenic valves. Completed construction of the second Yongsan factory. Awarded the $20 million export tower on the trade day. Business areas. BMT fittings and valves are used as core materials for fluid control in all industrial fields, from plant industry to the semiconductor industry. The new distribution board, named Spider, Smart Eye Module, and SEMS of BMT guarantee efficiency and safety of power usage. They are applied to all facilities that use electricity. Products. Fittings. Superlok tube fittings are manufactured based on precise processing technology under the strict quality control of BMT. This product increases the lifetime of pipelines and prevents failure of instrumental devices and valves because it allows for the smooth flow of fluids without generating particles. Superlok eye fittings are the most advanced design with perfect function among the existing tube fitting brands using the unique patented technology of BMT. The general given installation instructions of tube fittings is tightening the nut by 1 1/4 turns and using the provided gap gauge for inspection upon completion of the work. The general given installation instructions of tube fittings is tightening the nut by 1 1/4 turns and using the provided gap gauge for inspection upon completion of the work. This installation method demanded a high degree of expertise for installation and inspection. But superlok eye fittings can be used by anyone for quick and easy installation. This also provides perfect installation work while reducing defect rates to less than 0.1%, as well as visual confirmation while installing. Ultra-high purity fittings and valves are used in high purity gas pipelines and supply devices of the semiconductor industry. These products can be widely applied to the fields of the FDP industry, electronics, medical technology, and aerospace. Preforming tube fittings are a product that can be used from low to medium pressure depending on tube thickness. This patent-designed fitting of BMT is assembled after connecting a ferrule to the groove on the exterior of the tube. Scratches on the surface formed by careless handling of the tubing can be completely removed and covered by preforming work. This fitting shows perfect sealing in products with hard tube and difficult surface hardening of ferrule, such as Super Duplex and Inconel. Valves. Superlok instrumentation valves made with design know-how, precise processing technology, and the strict quality control of BMT are a product that adjusts system flows, control flows, and shows perfect sealing of fluids. Instrumentation valves manufactured by BMT form a lineup that includes ball valves, needle valves, check valves, and manifold valves. Process valves are manufactured by designing know-how, precise processing, assembly technology, and advanced inspection procedures unique to BMT. They are designed according to the standards set forth by specifications of major clients, API, ASME, BS, and ISO. In particular, BMT has a valve manufacturing plant with a total production system that embraces processing, assembly, leak tests, painting, and inspection. The unique ball polishing equipment of BMT provides precise ball valves and metal seat ball valves. Also, the hydrostatic test and high-pressure gas test facilities are perfect testing systems that satisfy the testing standards of any client around the world. Electrics. MCPD is a module-type power distributor that can manufacture distribution boards like assembling Lego blocks. As a product that includes a bus bar inside flame-proof insulation case, it reduces the risk of electric safety accidents and leads standardization and modularization of distribution boards. Spider is a distribution board applied with MCPD. It was designed for excellent space configurations, standardization, and electrical safety. This product can measure the status of the distribution board and power consumption on a real-time basis through the application of the Smart Eye. The Smart Eye module is a core instrumentation device of the smart grid that measures power consumption and temperature of loaded parts on the distribution board. Interactive communication is used to measure power consumption and various data, transmit and receive control signals, and display status information received. In addition, real-time power monitoring and control can show energy-saving effects and prevent safety accidents. This is an advanced system that can be expanded to BEMS and FEMS, or operated in connection with FMS and BAS. Design. The R&D Center of BMT has secured outstanding technology and research personnel to exhibit creativity and design capability that can satisfy the different demands of customers. We strive to develop new technologies and products in various fields to cope with new demands, making every possible effort for customer satisfaction. Production. BMT introduced a modernized automation system with skilled laborers and extensive processing technology to realize small quantity production of a variety of items. Diverse products are made under strict quality control and inspection according to the standard specifications and design standards. BMT tries its best to quickly respond to the demands of customers. All the products of BMT are manufactured by going through the following process. Raw materials used include stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, duplex and super duplex, Monel alloy, Hastelloy, Inconel, and low and high alloy materials. Raw materials are supplied by a complex process of cutting, forging, casting, and cold drawing. They are precisely processed using an automatic lathe, machining center, and other special processing devices. All products are cleaned after machine processing, and the cleaning process can be customized as demanded by customers. Cleaned products are separately managed to prevent stains from alien substances. All products manufactured are marked with the product name, size, material, and code number. Working pressure, working temperature, and other customer requirements are also marked for valves. Once processing is completed, the dimensions of parts are checked using various precise instruments to guarantee the accuracy of products. Also, dimension and shape tests are performed on 100% of back ferrule and front ferrule using Vision automatic dimension testing device. Parts stored in a separate parts storage are released according to assembly instruction and moved to the valve and fitting assembly room. Parts are thoroughly checked before they are assembled by automated line or experienced workers. Nitrogen leakage test, hydrostatic seat and shell test, and low pressure and high pressure gas tests are performed on all assembled valves depending on size, function, and temperature. Valve tests such as API, ASME, BS, and ISO are also carried out when demanded by customers. Process valves and some items go through a painting process. External surface treatment and painting are done after confirming the customer specification and paint thickness. Measurement and inspection on status and thickness of paint are thoroughly performed. Products that have undergone all manufacturing processes are packaged in packing boxes as regulated or demanded by customers and are released. Quality control and quality assurance. BMT makes efforts to achieve customer satisfaction based on a perfect quality management process and quality management policy that aims for customer satisfaction, best quality of the 21st century, and elevated production technology. Reliability tests such as pneumatic test, hydrostatic test, repeated assembly and burst test, impulse and vibration test, and helium leak test are performed on fittings as regulated in ASTM F1387, and corrosion resistance test on back ferrule is conducted in accordance with ISO 9227 or ASTM G31. The nitrogen leakage test is performed on all instrumentation valves. For process valves, hydrostatic seat and shell test, low pressure and high pressure gas test, cryogenic test, and fire safety test are performed according to valve testing standards like API, ASME, BS, and ISO. The company endeavors to secure reliability of its products. Vision. BMT has more than 30 sales networks in Korea and over 40 service networks in 34 countries around the world. The number of domestic and overseas customers and sales networks is continuously increasing because of innovative products, excellent quality, and enthusiastic marketing activities. BMT will manufacture and supply the best products to its partners at home and abroad. Settle down as a leader of the market based on world-class technology and quality, and create a global brand. BMT promises to develop new products, bring ceaseless innovations, provide great services, and satisfy customers. BMT Company Limited.